It's your friendly neighborhood laser lady. If you own a portable laser engraver, are you actually using it to its full potential? Well, here's the thing. Most laser owners, especially portable laser owners, got one without a solid business idea in mind. I recently got my WeCreat Lumos Flex and found myself in the exact same boat. So I sat down and came up with 15 different businesses that this specific on-the-go machine makes possible. Let's dive in. Now, before I get into the list, I have to explain why it's 15 and not just 5. And it's because it's not just about the portability. A lot of diode lasers will call themselves portable, but what makes the Lumos Flex genuinely different is that it combines a 15 watt diode laser and a 15 watt fiber laser all in one machine. The fiber laser is what will become your secret weapon because fiber lasers engraves bare metal, gold, silver, stainless steel, aluminum, not just anodized metal, not just powder coatings, and no marking sprays needed. This opens up entire categories of products and business models that a regular diode-only laser simply cannot do. So here's a plan. I'm giving you 15 business ideas, some taking advantage of the portability, some taking advantage of the small size, and I'm going to be going in depth about all those fiber laser specific businesses so you know exactly where your edge is. Event-based on-site. Idea number 1, themed market live personalization. And yes, I know you've heard of this, but stick with me because most laser people go into themed shows to sell things they've already made at home, which is radical. When your machine is portable and enclosed, you can bring it with you and offer live personalization on site, catered exactly to the theme of the show. No need to make specific anime things for Anime Fest or medieval things for the Ren Fair and home and garden things, etc., etc. I recently took this machine to a mini Comic-Con, and let's just say it was a hit and I didn't need to make anything special to match the vibe of the show. In fact, I was charging $12 to $17 for a keychain and people happily paid for that. And all that value is in the customization. Now you are a merchant and entertainment. You are making something to order that's going to last way longer than a twisted balloon animal and even more fun to watch than a juggler. In fact, you might present this to the people who put on the event you're going to and make branded swag for the event live, which leads into number 2, and this one I love, corporate event engraving. Team building events, office, Christmas parties, company anniversaries. The company hires you, you show up with your laser, you spend 3 to 4 hours there personalizing items for the employees, like tumblers with their names, wooden desk frames, metal keychains as party favors. Here's the better alternative to charging per item and hoping people show up to a craft show is charge a big fat event fee. Depending on your market and corporate event, you can easily get $300 to $800 for a 4-hour booking plus consumables one afternoon. Number 3, wedding reception live engraving. Okay, look, the wedding market is oversaturated. Just joking, weddings are multi-hundreds of billions of freaking dollars, and it's an industry that is not showing any signs of slowing down anytime soon. And lucky for us, some people even get married more than once. You are not making wedding favors at home and shipping them out. You show up at the reception, you engrave personalized keepsakes for guests live in front of their face, and now you're part of the entertainment. The couple pre-selects the items just like the catering, little wooden hearts, glass ornaments. You add each guest's name or a message on the spot. That service commands $500 to $1,500 depending on the guest count and your local wedding market. But here's the thing though, don't go trying to find newly engaged couples, find wedding planners. They are advertising themselves, and with a good alliance with a few of them, they'll soon be advertising for you too. Mobile pop-up businesses. Number 4, farmers market or artisan market weekend pop-ups. Now, this one is different than taking it to a themed selling event like that mini Comic-Con I was talking about. Little local farmers markets or park pop-ups have very low overhead, low commitment, and it doubles as a weekly live market research lab. You can find these usually in a hot parking lot every weekend for a few months in the summer. You find out fast what designs people are actually buying right now, what price points your local audience responds to, and you're building a customer list face to face. Number 5, mall kiosk personalization. Now, this is a real business model that real people are pulling off right now. But before you go signing a lease, let me save you some headaches. Laser engravers obviously produce fumes and volatile organic compounds, which means you need a properly enclosed machine with filtration. Luckily, the mini fume box from WeCreat is formulated to catch all sorts of particles, even those really tiny micro metal engravings. The Lumos Flex itself is enclosed, and that's a big deal for this application, but you still need to verify your local regulations, your specific mall's policies on ventilation and permits, because this varies a lot by location. The people who succeed at doing this do their homework first. When in doubt, call the property manager before you sign anything. If it does work out though, you got a daily retail location to make some serious money. Number 6, local bar and restaurant on-site engraving. This one is genuinely underused. A bar hosts trivia nights, crawfish boils, holiday parties, and there you are with your Lumos Flex engraving branded coasters or glasses for their regulars. The bar loves it because you're an attraction, like we've talked about. You can charge a flat venue fee or strike a deal to set up for free and sell your own wares. It's a win-win no matter how you structure it. Need a coaster? I can make one for you. Huh? Fiber laser unlocks. Okay, the next 3 are the businesses that a regular diode laser owner flat out cannot do without buying a completely separate machine. Now here is your laser edge. Number 7, custom jewelry engraving. With the fiber laser, you engrave it directly onto gold, silver, platinum, stainless steel, and more. Engagement inner ring bands, wedding bands, bracelets, lockets, very popular. There are jewelers paying for outsourced engraving right now because they don't have the equipment. This could be you. Plus, you can pair any of this with the previous ideas and stack your portable custom capabilities. Number 8, custom pet ID tags. This one's kind of a no-brainer. I've talked about them before, and yes, I'm serious. I love those fluffy little guys. Fiber laser, bare metal, both sides. You can do a dog tag in under 2 minutes, or even a people dog tag, same amount of time. Price them at $12 to $18 each, and here's the beautiful part. Every new pet is a new customer. Every lost tag is a reorder. People love their animals like their children, and they will absolutely pay for quality. All you need to do is find a pet-themed market, or even better, talk to your local shelters. They have events all the time. They need those animals adopted out, so they regularly host fundraisers and adoption events, and you need to be there. Number 9, personalized metal drinkware. With the fiber laser, you can engrave directly on stainless steel tumblers, Stanleys, Yetis, whichever metal canister is popular right now, with clean, permanent, deep markings that don't fade in the dishwasher. No coatings needed. Bare metal's okay. This is quality upgrade that customers can see and actually feel. In fact, pair with the last pet tag idea and engrave Mr. Fluffy's name directly onto a food and water bowl. Home studio, diode, and business to business. Number 10, custom leather goods. Not everything needs to be made at an event, obviously. Wallets, keychains, journal covers, guitar straps, belts. The diode laser on the Lumos Flex cuts and engraves leather beautifully. The Etsy market for personalized leather goods skews towards higher price points and has less competition than wood products. A monogrammed, pre-made leather wallet with a custom design goes for $35 to $65 easily. Number 11, trophy and award engraving for local sports leagues. This is a business-to-business model that is completely underserved in most cities. Youth soccer leagues, adult baseball leagues, corporate golf tournaments, school academic awards. They all need trophies and plaques every season. Reach out to your Parks and Rec department, your city leagues, your school booster clubs, and bring samples. This is a recurring seasonal revenue with loyal clients who come back every single year. Number 12, business-to-business branded merchandise vendor. This one is a relationship business. Pick 3 to 5 local businesses, a salon, a tourist shop, a coffee bar, and make them a simple sample. Engraved logo coasters for the coffee shop, custom local landmark magnets, branded thank you gifts for their top clients. You get the idea. You become their go-to vendor. The orders are smaller, but they are repeating monthly. Here's the better alternative to chasing random Etsy customers every single day is build 4 steady local business clients, and you've got predictable, reliable income. Specialty high ticket. Home stretch and these last 3 are for the people who want to niche down into high ticket, very low competition territory. Number 13, knife blade and accessories engraving. Custom engraving on knives, hunting blades, pocket knives. With the fiber laser, you go directly to the metal. The blade, the spine, the bolster. Switch to the diode laser and take care of the wooden handle or a leather sheath. 100% laser awesomeified. A personalized engraving on a quality knife adds like $40 plus so much more in perceived value. And here's what I love about this niche. These customers are not price sensitive, they are quality sensitive. Number 14, on-site furniture, home decor, personalization. This one is my absolute favorite in the entire list because I have genuinely never even heard anyone talk about it before. This machine in handheld mode can go to the thing that cannot come to you. You are not limited to your workspace. Price this as a premium service, $150 to $400, depending on the complexity, because nobody else is offering it. You'll be the only game in town. And number 15, batch wholesale and B2B production. The Lumos Flex has a slide extension for batch processing, which means you can run volume orders. Custom phone case engravings for a local phone accessory shop, batch coasters for a hotel or Airbnb host. They're getting pretty fancy out there. Volume is how you stop riding the feast or famine wave that eventually burns out most of us small businesses. Car dealerships, campgrounds, contractors, and more. Plus, if you can land a reoccurring deal with a local business, you'll have an easier time convincing them to book you for their next corporate event. It's a twofer. So there you have it, 15 business possibilities, some portable, some home studio, some fiber specific, and some that I genuinely don't hear anyone else in the laser space talking about yet. And thanks to WeCreat for sponsoring this video and for the nice discount code they've given us for the Lumos Flex. You can find that in the link down in the description and the pinned comment below. It's capable of much more than we've talked about here today. Plus, I'd love for you to tell me which number you're most interested in down in the comments. If you're wondering what it was like taking the Lumos Flex to a mini Comic-Con, then check out this video next. I go over bringing a fume box, what to do in case you don't have any power outlets nearby, and the best blanks to take with you. Thank you so much for watching and happy crafting!